Hi everyone. So today we're doing a Dutch pour on a triangular canvas. This is a 16-inch triangle. I thought, how cool would that look, right? So I think what we'll do is put the color here and blow it out. That way you can probably hang it two different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and put some white down. I'm going to move that around with my spatula instead of wasting time. It's all going to get blown around anyway. So normally I use a round or a hex or a square. I thought this might be cool. Let's try it. I'm always game, right? If you're not game to play, it's boring. Alright. So today I'm going to use the Praj Posse paints. I'm going to start out with Nate Stormy Weather. This is a beautiful color. And that's okay, it's going to get blown. I'll do a little bit of our Gold Rush. And then I'm going to go ahead and use our Moody Blue. Alright, we'll put a little bit of white around. And I'm going to go ahead and mute the microphone. I'm going to pull the white over and then blow it out. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Let me give it a torch and I'm going to play around with some edges. So I'm just going to kick these out just a smidge, so they're not so bubbled. I always like to step back and take a look at my composition. I'm good with that. I really like that. It's just very calm to me. I guess that's the word I'm looking for, calm. It's not all crazy, blowing everywhere. And the colors just blended so well in this one spot. I do have some little white cells coming up, and I will torch this again. I think my torch is running low on fuel, so I need to fill it. But I'm very happy with this. So join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on our channel, and that's Eastern Time. Check out my Amazon shop for all your paint pouring supplies and the hair dryer. And also Etsy, if you're interested in purchasing my paints, send me an email at christinawelchart@yahoo.com. And check out all the links below for more fun stuff if you want to sponsor the channel. Ship us a product to try or sponsor our channel. All that information is below. But thanks so much for watching, guys. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.